Hey everybody, it's Rich and Katie down along the river. Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. What we're going to do for you today is a very easy cook, I think. But this thing, we got our new air fryer, new Nuwave Airfryer. What we're going to do for you today, this evening, is going to be, I know it's some flaky turnovers, real apple style. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get her on in there. Stick around. Alright guys, we got our turnovers ready. They look pretty good. Got one on a disposable cutting board. Now we got our Nuwave air fryer. So we're gonna go ahead and preheat this thing. Turn it on, preheat, temp. We're gonna go to 375 like the package says, and just press the start button. We'll get back to you when this thing gets preheated. All right, everybody, our air fryer has reached 375 degrees. What we're gonna do is, that's what the inside looks like. Got a screen in there. So we're gonna go ahead and give her a quick coat so it don't stick. Canola oil, EVO sprayer, we got them on the way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and place these in there. Ow, don't burn yourself. Just put them in there. You can put 6 in here at a time. These things are pretty nice, folks. I've been using it for a little bit, and I think it's a new toy here at the house. But of course, we're used to barbecue and doing all kind of weird stuff like that. Ouch! Don't burn yourself, folks. So there they are. I don't know if you can see that, but there they are. They're in there. We're going to put them on for a couple of minutes, and we're going to spray them with a little bit of oil on top. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and set our time for 11 minutes. And we're going to come back when that says 9 to give them a little spray on top. So we'll see you in 2 minutes. All right, folks, we're at 9 minutes. We've been 2 minutes. Look at they're starting to look pretty good. So what we're gonna do, just give them a little squirt, and we'll start by that, and we'll shove them back in, and we'll let them cook up the remainder of the 9 minutes. All right, everybody, it's been 9 minutes, and we're gonna pop these open together and see what they look like. They look a little dark, but that's going to look like that. So we're going to let these things cool down. Yep, we're going to let these things cool down, and we'll see when we ice them. Hey everybody, we're back. We got them apple turnovers iced, and they're cooled down, and the kids are having a snack. What do you think, kids? Good? What do you think, Jason? Good. Be afraid to look at the camera. Look at that, folks. I don't know if you can see that, but look at that. It's cooked all the way through. Got a little bit of apple in there. Let's go ahead and do this.
Double thumbs up.
Double thumbs up?
Yep.
All right, let's get in here. Wow. It's flaky. It's moist. It's done. These things are awesome. Folks, if you haven't got yourself an air fryer, start playing with it, by all means do that. I like my air fryer so much that I was talking around with Miss Katie, And I think we're going to come up with a series called Air Fryer Fridays. So every Friday, we'll have a new air fryer video coming out. So keep your eyes open. This is the first one. Guys, try this out. Get you an air fryer and start playing. I use this for inspiration from Booger 500, US 500. I'll leave a link to her video or her channel in the iCard and the description box. This is phenomenal. Hit that like button, subscribe. All my affiliate links and social media is in the description box. Hit show more. And share with your friends and family. And tell them that the best barbecue comes from the river. We'll see you on the next one.